Hey everybody, the Big W here. Well, here we are on another adventures. We went to the Wednesday evening Beaches car show again. We were here week before last and we thought we'd come back because this is the last one for this season. So we're going to take a look and go look at it all. It's really, I just got here real early and it's still already filling up fast. Give you a little idea. It's a bunch of Volkswagens. I had to park next to them. Oh yeah, I love that. Well, if any parts fall off, that's pretty cool. Give you a little idea on how full it's getting out here. Everything and anything you can think of is out here too. The show keeps getting bigger and bigger. They are really filling up even more. Nice little Corvair next to a nice Corvette. Yeah, it's the last show of this summer season, and next year do it all over again, but it is quite filling up. While I was walking around, really filled up with Volkswagens around here. Most of them from a couple of the different Volkswagen clubs in this area, including the one I belong to. There's my car there. Some more in the background down there. Everybody enjoying themselves out here. Lots of fun. Now once it gets time for everybody to get off work, then this place is really going to fill up. Tri-5 classics here. Really nice. This is my buddy's car. Guys I used to work with. They're here too tonight. This one belonged to my old boss. It's actually got it up for sale. Little 68 vet. But yeah, nice. Come in. A big row full here. Walk in between here. So guys, that was the end of the season for Beaches for 2018, the last show and get together that there was there at PIR for that event. It is lots and lots of cars, and the drag racing is pretty cool watching that. It's hard to get close enough with a camera to really, with all that noise and stuff, you know. But anyway, I appreciate you guys coming along and all that, but there's a little something I want to show you that came in the mail. I looked in the mailbox and this little letter was in there. There's a nice little letter in there. Everything, and it came from the Old BRATT Rider. Yeah, Backroad Adventure Touring Team. Anyway, this guy has got a really neat channel. I really enjoy watching his videos. Machinist by trade, and he's always redoing old tools and making reviews and making things, and I really enjoy watching his channel. You go check him out. Well, that wasn't much of a mail call, but it was for a really nice person that I enjoy watching. And I don't have any stickers yet. I'm still trying to get somebody to make them for me for the new title of the channel, Big W Adventures. But as soon as I do, then I'm going to start passing them out. And Chuck just happened to see my address and everything on my About page. I just put it on there. Anyway, I appreciate you guys coming along, and those of you that have subscribed. And I'm getting a little bit higher numbers on the subscriptions, but it's still pretty low. Anyway, here in the Great Northwest, it just started raining right after that car show the other night. And it's cool. It's only about 45 degrees and raining continuously. And feeling the fall in the air. It smells good. It feels great. And I appreciate you guys all coming along. We'll take another venture here soon, so you guys can come with. This is a Big W. We'll catch you later.